It's something else. Why did I come here? I don't like how expensive everything is in the shops. It upsets me.
What do you need? I don't want any trouble. All done? Well.
Who's he talking about? Oh. I really want the Raptor Talons. I think I like them better. I think they do more damage. That, or I need to find a way to get, like, the Holy Wet Blade. What the fuck just hit me? Come here. Why? What? I feel like he should have gone Grasp of Volibear. Yeah, it's kind of upsetting. It's kind of upsetting, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I prefer Jungle Volibear anyway. But it's not like a good pro jungler, but I just prefer it in the jungle. He's really good in the top lane. I just am not very good with him in the top lane. But yeah, it's unfortunate. The only one is going to be dog shit. The thing is, it's not even hard to set up a gank on Volibear. Like, all they have to do is be like, oh, I'm pathing top. He's in the middle of the fucking lane. Hey, you go in on him, and I'll just come in and follow up. They have so much fucking damage, right? Like, where were you when I, like... He chomped him. What do you mean? Brother, you had your chomp on him. You just keep winning. Fuck, man. I don't think he does either. I don't know why they picked it. Whoop-de-doo. Renekton bursted you to fucking whatever your health was. You healed half your health back in one empowered W. Go back in. It'll happen again. Fuck, man. Right? He just turns and wins, brother. Yeah, the worst thing you get is flash, or actually, best thing is he turns because he doesn't fucking know. He thinks he can beat you, and you just beat his ass. Fucking gross. And he's gonna go tank Volibear with press the attack. If you were gonna do that, you might as well have just gone fucking grasp. Stupid bitch, brother. Oh, Whippo, you're stupid as fuck. Believer in what? Their ineptitude? Yeah, like, what the fuck? No way he's going that. Look what he's going. He's going fucking Frostborn Gauntlet. That's solo queue shit. Fuck, man. If you want to be, like, useful, go fucking, Sundered Sky. Maybe you'll go Sundered Sky second. I don't know. But, like... Shit, man. Get your ass back here. Oh, that was cool. Who's he talking about? Really? He's talking about Palafaker like that? Wow. Yo, bleed builds are busted. Get him, chomp him. What are you doing? Blippo! What? Go back. Fucking chomp him. Yeah, uh-huh. Why are you walking away? For fucking what? Dude, what I think he did it to give it to Quad. But then Quad didn't get it, so now he's got to fucking try and secure it again. Just fucking get the kill. A tanky Volibear still does damage. Fuck, man. That is a tank that you can hard carry on because he's never really a tank. He's always a bruiser. It's just disgusting. What rank are these retards? Put together a fucking pro team of any of like the higher rank, like Challenger, Grandmaster, or whoever the fuck you want to put. That'd be better than these retards. What makes these fucking pro players? Their willingness to actually be on the pro team. This is like the high ranks in the NA server right now are like when we were basketball managers and we weren't on the team. And I'm not even joking either. They're like, we just like playing the game. We'll let you fucking retards be on the team. We don't really care to be pros. You know what I'm saying? It's disgusting. I fucking did it on first try. I hate these. Oh. Yes. This build's broken. Maybe it's just Blood Flame Blade. Frozen Needle. I don't want that shit. Does so much for the team. He's... If it's a long game with an 0-3 top laner on the enemy team, they're just confirming my theory. If that's what happens. He's 0-3. Alistar?
Well, I presume you... Oh, I am an old crowd. Perhaps you like... Oh, what? When I'm absorbed, if you come to... I am a Toten. Brave time. This territory. When the real after Levkarian, I conjure that is why unless you... Blithe, quite a rare, perhaps